How's it going, guys? So the last flush I performed was January the 4th. So it's that time again to flush this thing out. On your water heater, here's the control. You want to find your pilot and turn your knob into pilot. This will maintain the flame inside your water heater. At the same time, you want to get a gardening hose and thread it into this faucet right here. So I'm gonna turn off the cold water coming in. So right now no more water is going to come into the water heater. So I have my gardening hose right here. You're going to attach it to the water heater. Just snug. Before you turn this on, I'm going to show you what you want to do on the other end. Now this is the other end of my hose. Now instead of just draining the water through here, I want to filter it. So I'm just going to have some heavy duty rag. Make a little trap, because I want to see how much rust is in my water heater. So you can use a rubber band, but I have a zip tie. Like so. So what you could do now is leave your hose here. Now right now it's full, so you want to slowly turn it open and you'll hear a rush of water. Now water is flowing out of the water heater now. Once the pressure is off, you can open up your pressure regulator. You'll hear the water starting to drain. You see the water draining out? You can also place another rag here, so this will catch the remaining rust that's coming out, because you can see already there's quite a lot of rust collecting. Now it helps to go to your highest floor in any sink and turn on the hot water. And this allows the water to flow without any suction. So right now I'm purging all the water out. And I'm going to leave it open. Now this acts as a vent tube as the water is draining out of the tank. Alright, it's been an hour of draining and it's pretty much all drained out. So what I'm gonna do right now is, so right now the water heater is fairly empty. I'm gonna turn on the cold water. So now there's cold water rushing in to the water heater. What it's doing is mixing up all the debris so it could drain some more out. I'm not going to fill it up all the way, but I just want a little bit of water to drain out the remaining. I'm going to go ahead and close it again. And you hear it draining out. So we're going to let this drain for another maybe 15 minutes. And I'll be right back. Alright, so from just that little flush, that extra flush, you can see the rust. The extra rust that's coming out of the water. Like this light rust color, but you see from the full flush how much is inside the water tank. So we're done now, we're ready to fill it up and heat it back up. First thing you should do is turn off shut this off. There's still some residue here, so I'm gonna leave it on for now. I'm gonna re-engage the pressure valve. And I'm gonna turn on the water to fill up the system. Now water is flowing, is rushing. Now water is rushing into the water heater. And as this fills up, it's gonna push up against the hot water pipe. So that's why you wanna open up as much hot water valve as you can in the house to help it breathe. Now hot water is filling in the pipes right now. You wait until all the faucet has a steady stream of water, and that means your hot water line is purged of all the air, and then you could turn off the hot water. So right now we're just gonna wait until it has a steady stream of hot water. Now the line is purged. You can shut it off now. Okay, now that the water heater is all filled up and the lines are all purged, you can now turn this back into the on position, and then the water heater will kick in and start boiling your water. I can remove this. And you're all set. Now let's take a look at the amount of rust that's inside your water heater, depending on how old your water heater is. So there's definitely rust inside the water heater, but at least there's no pieces, heavy pieces like these. This is considered minimal. Last year there was a lot. So do this every year. Alright, I hope this video helps some of you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment. Take care.